What's up, guys? We are out here at our West 7th flip. I'm going to take you on a little tour, show you what's going on out here, all right? Okay, I am walking through the back door here. If we go to the right, we are entering the master suite. Closets will be on the left, master bath here to the right. Straight ahead is the master bedroom. We've put some cool shiplap on the walls. We're gonna sheetrock the rest of it, but working there. If we head back out, our back door is to the left. If you go to the right here, that's another door to the side yard or backyard. This is entering the kitchen. So this will be our main living area, kitchen. Look at that cool shiplap we put on the wall. We had to rip all that out to do the electrical rewire, but that's all put back. So I'm excited about that. So we're in the kitchen here. This will be the main living area straight ahead, the dining and the living. And putting some sheetrock up. Got the insulation done. Here is the bedrooms and bathroom, the secondary bedrooms, one to the left, bathroom here in the middle, and then a bedroom here to the right. So, making progress.